everyone, and welcome to my channel, Inspired Birdie. So I'm going to be doing my final Halloween 2019 Dollar Tree haul today. I'm actually doing two that I want to share with you guys. And yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right into this. So for starters, I'm going to be using this sign, don't know what else to call it, which I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Just says trick or treat. And I'm actually going to be repurposing a DIY that I did last year. So this is something I did last year. This is all from the Dollar Tree as well. And I just wanted to take it and kind of redo it a little bit because my style has changed and I want to make it a little bit more witchy and spookier. So I'm going to be adding in this floral here, which is from the Dollar Tree. Obviously, Dollar Tree is the theme here. And then also these Halloween spiders. Now this is not from the Dollar Tree, but they do have them. I did see them. I had purchased this before I saw them. So this is from the Canadian Dollarama, $1.25, little spiders. And then other than that, I have some scrap paper. Sorry for all the noises, guys. So just some black scrap paper, a Dollar Tree picture frame, and then these are window decal. So these are stickers that you would put in your window, and they're all witch theme. And then that's it. Other than that, of course, some hot glue, and I always get questions about these, so I'll just tell you now. I am using these because these are to protect your fingers from hot glue, and I'm always getting burned when I do DIYs. So these are actually from the Dollar Tree as well in their craft section. And that is really it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick Halloween 2019 DIY. Let's get started. So this is why I use these little finger protectors, especially when you're working with something as tiny as this. I would just be getting burned so bad right now. It's cool how the glue kind of looks like a spider web. so there is the first DIY. So really simple how you can repurpose something that just isn't working for you anymore. And these spiders were so light that they stuck like no problem at all. And it just gives it that really cool, creepy factor, which is the factor that I was going for. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick DIY. Let's move on to the second one, which does not require any hot glue. All right, so moving on to DIY number 2 is featuring this window cling. So this is really simple as well. It's just really a picture frame art piece that I'm going to be doing because my theme for Halloween this year is witches. So really super love this decal, but I'm really only using the witch that's in the center for this project. But I'll definitely keep the other pieces because I'm sure I'll use them in previous, or not previous, but in future years. And then this 5x7 picture frame. I also have some scrap paper that originally was from the Dollar Tree years ago. So this is just black paper. And then the trick or treat sign that I showed you, I'm not actually using it specifically for anything in the DIY. I'm leaving it the way that it is. It's just a piece that's going to be featured with the photo for the style that I'm going for. All right, let's go ahead and get started.